Yuritcy, thanks so much for being with us, and welcome to Chicago. Welcome to the first of its kind VEO event.
Yes.
As a Latina, as a leader in the industry, how are you feeling?
Thank you for having me here, Guillermo. It's exciting. It's empowering. Just overwhelming. I'm really grateful for the opportunity, for the invitation. Yes. So thank you for having me here.
Why is VEO so necessary for the industry?
You know what? I think representation, like what we were just saying, the Latinos, it's a very high percentage. Remind me the number again of...
70% of the 3 million workers, which is about 2.5 million Latinos within the workforce.
70%. 70% right there. We need these type of events. We need representation. We need people to know that we are here. We're here to provide a service, and we're here to be part of a community, be part of the city, be part of the country as a whole, that to show the importance that we have.
I think you told me before that without Latinos in the workforce.
I said Latinos run the show. We run the show. It is what it is. It is what it is, and I'm like proud and happy to be part of being a Latina, working hard. Because it's not easy. It's not easy. Right now we are facing such of a, challenging times.
Volatile.
Thank you, volatile in our country. And having these type of events, I think it's crucial. It's crucial for all of us,
Going back to what you said about you didn't think that we spoke Spanish. Bueno, hablamos español. But the question is, how do we make sure that we are communicating and touching base with other companies such as yours and your counterparts so that they're aware that VEO is here and that we do hablamos español?
I think that creating this type of events, it's what we need, because se corre la voz, como decimos. Now I know, now I'm going to go back to Madison and be like other co-workers, other companies. Guess what? I went to this event. It was great. Next year they're hosting it. We need to go. Yeah.
Thank you.
Matter of fact, I was at a ISSA conference, I think 2 weeks ago, and I met one of the panelists, and I told her about VEO, and she's like, I don't know anything about VEO. Like, really, you don't? She's like, no, I don't. Guess what? I saw her today.
There
she's
you
like,
go.
You told me
Wow,
about it. I went
incredible.
to my boss, and she's here today.
Oh, that's incredible. Can you tell me a little bit about that? So you were in. Tell me the story again.
I was at the ISSA conference.
Yeah.
I was a panelist there,
Yeah.
and so was she. So I asked her, are you coming to VEO, which is next week or in 2 weeks? And
Right,
she's like,
Chicago.
no, I don't know anything about VEO. Like, what do you mean you don't know anything? She's like, no. So I told her what it was, and she's like, okay, I'm going to ask about it. I saw her today, so yeah.
Shows the power of network and brotherhood, sisterhood.
Yes.
And another congratulations, you're one of our nominees for the Visionario Awards.
Yes, thank you.
Well deserved.
Thank you.
And my last question is, how important is it to recognize people such as yourself within the industry so we have more Yuritzys and we have more terrific folks like you that represents us so well in the community?
I'm extremely grateful and humbled for the nomination, and it's just, I guess, I don't know, it just shows that if I can do it, anybody can do it,
That's amazing, so inspirational. Well, thank you for being here.
Thank you
for being our founding member of VEO,
Thank
and
you.
have a great conference. We'll see you on the next one.
Yes, thank you.